Number 1. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,995. It has 163,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a brown exterior matched with a brown interior, giving the truck a classic and rugged appearance. The truck is an extended cab short bed model equipped with four-wheel drive, making it well suited for both daily driving and off-road adventures. It also comes with a factory tow package, adding extra capability for hauling trailers or equipment. The tires are nearly brand new, providing excellent traction and reducing the need for immediate replacement. This Chevrolet 1500 has been well maintained and remains in great condition. Known for its durability and reliability, it is built to last and is ready to drive. Number 2. 1979 GMC 1500, price $10,000, two-wheel drive pickup powered by a dependable 350 V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. It has approximately 86,000 original miles, around 85,000 miles, making it a well-preserved example for its age. The truck features a blue exterior complemented by a tan interior, giving it a timeless classic appearance. The truck starts easily, runs strong, and drives well, making it suitable for weekend cruising, local shows, or as a solid foundation for a light restoration project. While it is not a flawless show truck, it has been well maintained over the years and remains in good overall mechanical condition. As expected for a vehicle of this age, it has some cosmetic imperfections and a few rust spots, which are visible and reflected in its overall condition. Despite these minor flaws, it presents very well and is in great shape for a classic truck that is over 4 decades old. Number 3. 1992 Ford Ranger, price $8,500. It has approximately 20,000 miles on its Jasper 4.0L crate engine and features a 5-speed manual transmission. It comes in a white exterior with a gray interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. This rust-free 4x4 spent its entire life in Idaho and Oregon, where the roads are not salted, helping preserve its solid, straight body. The truck runs great, is enjoyable to drive, and the four-wheel drive system works exactly as it should. It is equipped with cruise control, power windows, power locks, and air conditioning that blows cold, although it requires a simple and inexpensive recharge about once a year. The tires still have plenty of tread life remaining, making it ready for the road or trail. While the amateur paint job has some noticeable imperfections up close, it presents very well from a short distance. Number 4. 2003 Ford F-150, price $9,990. This truck has 98,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.4L Triton V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It features a gold exterior with a brown interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is well equipped with the XLT package, offering a spacious and comfortable cabin, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, and a tilt steering wheel for added convenience. It also comes with an ice-cold air conditioning system, a hot heater, and an AM/FM/CD audio system for an enjoyable driving experience. The tow package makes it ready for hauling when needed, while the bed liner helps protect the truck bed from wear and tear. It is fitted with a matching set of tires, making it a solid choice for both daily driving and light-duty work. Number 5. 1997 Ford F-150, price $9,500. It has only 62,000 miles and comes equipped with a reliable automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior paired with a silver interior and is powered by a fuel-efficient 4.2L V6 gasoline engine. This two-wheel drive short bed pickup is well maintained and offers an excellent combination of reliability and everyday practicality. The truck is equipped with power mirrors, power windows, and power door locks for added convenience. The interior is exceptionally clean, having never been smoked in and with no pets, giving it a fresh and well-preserved appearance. It also features ice-cold air conditioning, a heater that works perfectly, and an automatic transmission that shifts smoothly. The tires have approximately 75% tread life remaining, while the brakes have about 80% life left. Overall, this is a super clean, dependable, and well-cared-for Ford F-150 that is ready to drive and enjoy. Number 6. 2000 Chevrolet S10, price $7,500. The truck has 164,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a black exterior, and a gray interior. It is equipped with a dependable 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain, providing solid power and excellent traction in a variety of driving conditions. The truck comes with a clean title and is reported to run great, making it a strong option for anyone looking for a reliable daily driver, work truck, or weekend utility vehicle. The interior has been well kept, showing minimal wear for its age, while the paint remains in very nice condition and gives the truck a clean, attractive appearance. It also has great tires, which add to its overall value and readiness for the road. Number 7. 2001 Ford F-150, price $5,150. It has 239,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a reliable 5.4L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. It features a clean white exterior with a brown interior, offering a classic appearance both inside and out. The truck has been well maintained with Goodyear Wrangler tires that have approximately 90% tread remaining, along with a new battery, fresh oil and filter, and a new air filter. It comes well equipped with power windows, power locks, power adjustable pedals, cruise control, and recently serviced air conditioning that blows ice cold, while the heater works perfectly. The driver's seat has been refreshed with new foam and fabric, and the rear seats fold flat for added cargo versatility. It runs and drives well, although it does have some dents, dings, scratches, and other cosmetic imperfections consistent with its age and mileage. Number 8. 1978 Dodge D150, price $8,000. This truck has only 50,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission. It features a brown exterior and is equipped with an aftermarket radio and tachometer, while the rest of the truck remains 100% original to its model year. It rides on a brand new set of tires and is ready to drive wherever the next adventure leads. This is not a barn find, it has been consistently registered under the same owner for approximately 20 years, reflecting long-term ownership and care. Overall, it is a well-preserved classic pickup that offers originality, reliability, and timeless vintage appeal. Number 9. 1994 Ford Ranger, price $2,900. This truck has 205,000 miles and is equipped with a reliable 4.0L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior, runs on gasoline, and comes with a capable four-wheel drive system, making it a dependable choice for both daily driving and light off-road use. The truck runs and drives excellently, with a strong engine and a smooth-shifting transmission. The tires are in good condition, and the rear jump seats provide additional passenger space when needed. It has served its previous owner's family very well over the years and has proven to be a dependable and practical pickup. The truck also comes with valid plates and tags, and a clean title is in hand, making it ready for its next owner. Number 10. 2001 Ford F-150, price $4,500, dependable full-size pickup powered by a strong V8 engine and paired with a manual transmission, offering a responsive and enjoyable driving experience. With only 157,000 miles, it has relatively low mileage for its age and has been well maintained. The truck features a blue exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. It runs great, the air conditioning blows cold, and it is ready to be driven daily or used for work and weekend projects. The truck also comes with a clean Arizona title, providing added peace of mind for its next owner. Overall, this F-150 is a reliable, powerful, and well-kept pickup that offers excellent value for anyone looking for a solid V8 truck.